Bienvenidos, muchachas y muchachos. Welcome, boys and girls. You have done it. You've made it to the last assignment for your summer credit. We're going to be working on el verbo tener. For this assignment, you are going to need the handout that you were given for Unit 4B. I have mine right here. If you don't have yours, go ahead and pause this video so that you can go and grab it. All right, here is the verb tener. You are just going to enter these words in to your chart from your chart all on your own. Go ahead and put me on pause until when you finish, join me again for part B. We'll do the first one together. All right, for part B, you are to write the correct form of tener next to each of the following words. As I notice here, Pablo has a typo. Sorry about that. So it says Pablo. Pablo is one person. Because we're only talking about one person, we're going to use this side of the chart. This is for one person. This is for more than one person. And Pablo is one person. So you need to ask yourself, am I Pablo? Because yo means I. No, I am not Pablo. Tú. You ask yourself, are you Pablo? No, they are not Pablo either. Is él, ella, or usted Pablo? Yes, Pablo is él. So you would use the verb form that you have pre-filled right here to fill this out. You'll do the same with each of the other ones. And when you are finished, will join me at part C. Go ahead and put this on pause while you work on it. And then we'll do part C together as it's a little bit tricky. All right, part C. They're letting us know that tener, meaning to have, is used to show relationship or possession. For example, tengo dos hermanas, meaning I have two sisters. It shows a relationship between oneself and one's sisters. Tienes una bicicleta. You have a bicycle. It shows possession of an item. Tener is also used to express how old you are or if you're hungry or thirsty. Tengo 14 años. I am 14 years old. Tengo hambre. I am hungry. Tengo sed. I am thirsty. Now we're going to read these sentences down here, and we're going to decide, are these sentences showing possession, age, thirst, or hunger, or is it showing a relationship? So let's do the first one has been done for us. Let's read it. ¿Cuántos años tiene tu tío? If you'll remember, for interrogatives, cuántos is like quantity. How many años, how old is your tío? And if you're not sure what tío means, you're going to need to go back to the instruction that you were given. And in those instructions, you will find the meaning of those words. Tío, let's see if we can find it. Tío, that would be uncle. How old is your uncle? And we're showing here that it belongs for number 1 right there. And you'll go through the rest of them and decide, is it showing possession, age, thirst or hunger, or a relationship? And that's all you have to do for those. Let's do number 2 together just so that we know for sure how to do this. It says, nosotras tenemos 10 primos. Nosotras is we girls. Tenemos, have, 10. 10 is a number. And primos. The word primos, we look over here, cousins, male cousins, or combination of male, female cousins. We have 10 primos. So this is showing, is that a possession, age, thirst, hunger, or relationship? Because it is showing that it's family, that would be here for relationship. All right, go ahead and finish the others by yourself. Put me on pause, and when you come back, we will read together La Familia de Sofía. La familia de Sofía. Me llamo Sofía de Borbón y Ortiz. Mi cumpleaños es el 29 de abril y tengo 12 años. Nosotros tenemos muchas fiestas en mi familia. En la foto celebramos un día muy especial para mi familia. Es el día de la primera comunión de mi hermana. Yo tengo una hermana mayor que se llama Leonor. Ella tiene 13 años. Nosotras tenemos 6 primos, 2 chicas y 4 chicos. Victoria tiene 18 años y su hermano Felipe tiene 20 años. Victoria y Felipe son los hijos de mis tíos, Elena y Jaime. Mis tíos Cristina e Iñaki tienen 4 hijos, Juan, Pablo, Miguel e Irene. En la foto, yo estoy al lado de mi abuelo Juan Carlos. Mi mamá, la reina Leticia, está al lado de mi papá, el rey Felipe VI. Once you have understood this passage, you will need to answer the questions on this page and on the back. But if you'll notice, there's no place to put a name. So would you please remember to put your name, your school, and Spanish 1 on this so that you can get proper credit. Muchísimas gracias y que tengas buen vacación de verano. Thank you very much and have a great summer vacation. Adios.